Imagine a modern art audio system. Creating the Maui P900, we have combined state-of-the-art audio technology and sleek elegance into a loudspeaker system that breaks new ground. Merging inspired aesthetics with technical excellence, the Maui P900 is a vision come true.
For this particular project, our vision was to create the perfect balance between straightforward functional and industrial looks of stage equipment and the refined and sophisticated design language of high-end consumer electronics. That's how the idea of a triangular column came to place.
In our concept, we took this triangular solid block of aluminum and partially sliced it off with a laser-sharp diagonal cut. This left a slim column with a solid metal surface emerging from a wider, heavy base. Then we added some contrast and warmth with a very elegant and exclusive grille of acoustic mesh.
Once Porsche Design Studio delivered the design for the Maui P900, we began our work to translate the P900's visual clarity into one of sound. To achieve a very high level of power while maintaining extremely precise audio performance, we used a state-of-the-art digital amplifier technology and a total of 50 speakers. The column of the Maui P900 features a unique speaker arrangement, which places the tweeters in a vertical line in front of the mid-range speakers. In front of the speakers, we then placed a tailor-made audio waveguide that perfectly aligns the high and mid audio frequencies. This configuration, inspired by professional sound systems, produces a wide and even sound coverage. That means you will enjoy an amazing sound quality, regardless of where you stand in the room. As always, of course, the quality of the sound reproduction strongly depends on the quality of the source. This is why we equipped the Maui P900 with the highest standards in Bluetooth technology, allowing for high-resolution audio streaming. We also implemented true wireless stereo technology, which enables the pairing of two units over Bluetooth and completely eliminates the need for signal cables.
It's always fascinating to see one of our concepts coming to reality. And basically, if a product is properly engineered, the elegance comes by itself.